Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Yota, and today I am doing a triple unboxing. I'm so excited, and it's a true unboxing. The only thing that I did was open up the box that it was delivered in, but I have not looked at these items, so this is a true triple unboxing, and I believe it's my first true unboxing because I normally don't have that kind of patience. But I was so excited today to come home from work and unbox these items and show you guys what I got. I did some Black Friday shopping. I got a few Christmas gifts, and yes, I was really bad. I found some things that I felt like I had to have. It was too good of a deal to pass up. So let me show you guys what I got. Okay, one more thing. If you're not a subscriber, I need you to subscribe and click the notification bell. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as I can so I can go ahead and do the giveaway. I've been planning for it and I'm really excited. I've gained quite a few subscribers this week, so I'm super excited. It's been a great week. I've had a lot of great feedback. So help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so now let's get to that unboxing. So my first item, like I said, I took it out of the box that it was mailed in, but here is my first item. And if you can't tell, it's Tory Burch. You guys, I have gained a new appreciation for Tory Burch. I've always been a fan, but recently I have just the quality is unbelievable, and I have just fallen in love with Tory Burch. As far as Tory Burch goes, the quality is there and it's affordable. I'm not saying that $500 for a bag is cheap, but compared to a $2,500 bag, it's definitely affordable. And they have sales quite often on their website, and also Nordstrom, they have sales. And so when I was shopping for Christmas gifts for my family, I just, you guys, I was bad. I could not help myself. So like I said, I have taken it out of the box that it was mailed in. And Tory Burch, they have such quality. You get the, you always get the, here's the packing slip, and it comes in this beautiful envelope. I mean, just like the upscale designers, their packaging is impeccable. And look at that, it's gorgeous. It's got a seal on it, and then it's got a card, and it's just, I think it's absolutely up there with a lot of the designer or luxury designers. Okay, so this is a true unboxing, and I'm not sure which one this is, so I'm going to tear off the seal and show you what I got. And you know, I absolutely love the Tory Burch boxes. I think they're just gorgeous. Oh, and I need to take this little plastic ring off. Okay. When you open up the box, you've got the dust bag, and it's packaged just like, you know, if you went to the Louis Vuitton store or Gucci. And so there's the dust bag. And let me remove the tissue paper. You guys, I got the coolest pair of booties. Look at this. I love them. They are called, let me see, the Brook Booty. Okay, when I was looking online, I thought, wow, how cool are these? Are these gorgeous? I love the complementary colors, the red and the purple, and they're so fallish, but I think they would wear well any time of the year. But I love the heel height, and I need to admit something. I have a thing about booties. I should probably show you guys my booty collection. You would not believe how many pair I have, but I don't have a color blocked pair like this. And I tried some on in the Phipps Plaza when I was in Atlanta, and I feel like Tory Burch shoes run true to size. So I haven't tried these on yet, but they have the thick rubber sole, and they zip up the side, and I just love the red and the purple. Is this not gorgeous? I think it would make any outfit pop. You could just have on all black, or just have a pair of jeans on and a denim shirt and wear these booties. I think these would be cute with jeans, with dresses, with pants, anything. But when I saw these online, I was like, okay, I was trying to be good, and I really was, until I came across these babies, and I could not resist. And I noticed there's some suede ones on there, the color blocked suede, and they are gorgeous. But I wanted to go ahead and just get the leather so I would not have to worry about them during the winter months. So unboxing number 2. Yes, I got 2 pair. I was so bad, and I don't regret it. So let's see what other color that I got. So here you have the receipt again, just like in upscale Louis Vuitton or Fendi or anywhere like that. There's the logo and the beautiful packaging. You guys, the more Tory Burch that I buy, the more I wonder, why do I spend so much on some of these other items and brands? I mean, I love them, but I'm telling you, I really do feel like Tory Burch is comparable with luxury brands. I think that the quality is just there. And I don't feel like just because something costs so much more money, it's so much better. Because there have been a lot of problems with Louis Vuitton in recent years, you know, with the glazing issues and things like that. So I just have developed a new appreciation for Tory Burch. So let's go ahead and unbox pair number 2. The beautiful box. Love the box. Okay, packaged perfectly with the dust bag and the tissue paper. And I got the Brooke booty in classic black. So actually, as many pairs I have, I needed a pair with this heel height. And to be honest, I was actually looking for another black pair. And these were the ones that I chose first. And then when I saw the color blocked pair, I could not pass them by. But these are just classic, never go out of style. I love the little logo here. I love that. They're just gorgeous. I'm so excited to have these and to wear these. I think they would look great with just like some jeans, some white pants, anything. But this was actually what when I saw these, I thought I have to get these. It was really the heel height that got me, because I have several pair, but they're a little, taller, and then I have some other booties that are low. So I actually needed, these are kind of, I think, semi-dressy. So these are just my item number 2 splurge, and I absolutely love them. So I got such a great deal on both of the Brooke booties. I actually got 2 pair for the price of 1, because they started out original at $3.98, and they are on sale right now on the website for $2.79. And during Black Friday, I got an additional, I believe it was 30% off. So I really made out pretty well with those 2 pair of booties. So ordinarily I would have just got the black pair, but since I got such a good deal, I went ahead and got the color blocked one. So I feel pretty fortunate about that. Okay, so item number 3, and no, it's not Tory Burch. Something completely different. I'm so excited. I've actually wanted this item or something like this for so long, and I got a great deal, and so I went for it. Item number 3. The only thing I did was cut the edges to save some time, and I ordered this item from Neiman Marcus, and I got a super good deal on it. And like I said, it's something that I've looked at, and I've lusted for forever, and with me, it's like once I get a taste of something, I have to have more. So that's unfortunate in a way, but I got such a great deal that I just had to go for it. So I'll open up the box. There's the Neiman Marcus sticker there. I love when things are packaged. I'm just a sucker for packaging. Okay, let me break open the tissue paper. I got the Alexander McQueen scarf with the skulls and butterflies. You guys, I am thrilled. It's so me. It's edgy, it's fun, and I've seen them, but I've never owned one before, like I said, and I was like, you know, this is such a good deal. I'm just gonna go for it. And mine, it's the red and the black, and it's got the skulls and the red butterfly. I love the little touch of red. And this, it's just made in Italy, Alexander McQueen silk scarf, and it was originally $345, and I got it for $258, and then I got an additional $100 off of that. So I got a really good deal. Let me stand up and show you guys. Is this not gorgeous? And I love that it's substantial, but it's not so heavy that I can't wear it even in the spring and summer. I'm gonna wear the heck out of this thing. I love it. I am so in love. I absolutely love this. I'm so excited that I pulled the trigger on this because, like I said, I've wanted one for so long, and I looked on the website and there are other ones that I would really love to have, and I actually thought that I would get a Burberry scarf first. I did put that on my wish list, so hopefully Santa Claus will bring me a Burberry scarf. I love scarves because they're so versatile and you can dress up your look so easily, and like I said, I love the weight of this. It's substantial. You can wear it in a restaurant, kind of like a shawl. You could wear it with your coat, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. So I'm super excited, and I was so excited to show you guys my Black Friday finds, and even though I was a little bad, I'm pretty excited about it. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love you to subscribe if you have not already, and I love spending time with you guys, and I can't wait to see you again next week. Bye-bye.